Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about inverse variation. The equation for inverse variation is given as y equal k over x, and you can read it as y varies inversely as x, where k is not equal to 0 and x should not be equal to 0, because if x is 0 the function will be undefined. Now first example we have, if xy is equal 4 and x equal 12, then how much will be y? Now from this equation, y will be equal 4. This x will go in the denominator. You divide by x both sides. That will be cancelled. So y equal 4 over x, and x is given 12. So 4 over 12. And if you simplify, you will get 1 over 3. Now in the standard notation, you can say x1 y1 is equal k. If you write it like this, it means it's an inverse function. Okay? Basically what you are doing, you are multiplying x here, so k is equal xy, right? If you write xy is equal k, this is also written as inverse function. Now x1 y1 equal k and x2 y2 equal k, the constant of variation remains same, so you can say x1 y1 equal x2 y2, or you can say x1 over y2. Okay, that's the difference between direct variation and inverse variation. X1 over y2 equal x2 over y1. So remember these two information. Now let's try some questions. So first question, we have x varies inversely. X varies inversely as x varies inversely as y. X varies inversely as y. So how you write? X is equal y over k over y, right? This is how you will write it. Now if you cross product this, then you can write xy is equal k. That's not a problem. And again, using the method that we just learned, you can say x1 y1 is equal x2 y2. Okay, now what do we have to do? We just have to substitute the value. So let's say this is x1 y1 x2 and y2. So x1 y1 is equal x2 and y2. X1 is 12, y1 is 2, x2 we need to find, and y2 is 6. Divide 6 both sides, this will be cancelled. 12 divided 6 will give you 2, 2 multiplied 2 will give you 4. So x2 is equal 4, that is your answer, or you can write like this. Okay, now this is the first method. Now if you want to write in the way that we wrote the second method, that will be x1 over y2 or x2 over y1, right? This is how we write the second one. From here you can see, now x1 is 12, y1, okay, y2 is 6. From here x2 we need to find, and y1 is 2. So again, multiply 2 both sides, this and this will cancel. 12 multiplied 2 is 24, 24 divided 6 will give you 4. So again, you can see that in both the way we are getting same answer. You can solve it in any way. Okay. Next question. In this one, A varies inversely as B. So varies inversely as B. You will write it as A equal K over B, right? So AB is equal K, or you can write A1 B1 is equal A2 B2. Good. Now this is A1 B1, A2 B2. A1 is 14, B1 is -2, A2 I don't know, B2 is -10. Divide with -10 both sides, that will be cancelled, negative negative positive. Now 24 multiplied 2 will give you 28. Divide 10 is equal A2. That will be 2.8, or you can write A2 is equal 2.8, or you can write in the simplified form if you want to. So the common factor is 2 here, so 28 divided 2 definitely 14, and 10 divided 2 will give you 5. So you can write in this way also, A2 is equal 14 divided 5. If you write this or this, both are right depending on the options which are given in the questions. Okay, so that's it about inverse variation. I hope you understood, and don't forget to watch the previous videos for on direct variation and joint variation. Okay, that's it.